A bed is a very important piece of furniture in a room, but sometimes we tend to do some crazy things to the bed and we end up losing it. But it's replaceable. Me want a man fi make me bed go so.
Body in a bed, girl, your body in a bed. Body in a bed, girl, your body in a bed. Body in a bed, girl, your body in a bed. Body in a bed, girl, your body in a bed. See the body you walk with, tuck it up in your hole, take it out, cock it up in your hole, take it out. Baby, you no cocky by, you young refined, you hold me in a pose and be sanctified. You want hang out me by your panty line. Body in a bed, you body in a bed. When you lift it up, me see the pretty buff body running like your bang bone and stick it up. Really that pussy and you want to make me fuck. Body in a bed, you body in a bed. Ooh, you a kind of hot. Look on your head, look on your bed, look on your bed, look on your bed. Fat pussy girl, bitch you a cocky ride. Don't go giddy up, giddy up. Put on your heels and a little body ride. Sexy charge, put it up for the fuck. Cock it up your break, can't you a body can. Mommy like go line of vagina. Girl when I tell her what you tight. Cock it up in the jelly, keep on. Now the girl up on the body and a rocky. She up on the body and a rocky. She up on the body and a rocky.